walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Good morning, you guys. This is going to be Kalia's outfit of the day. Our son had football practice super early, so you guys will not see his outfit of the day. I may try to get a picture when he come home of his outfit and insert it somewhere in this video. Or I may get him like on Snapchat or something later on. I'm not sure. Because he has football practice early in the morning and after school. So I want to go ahead and show you guys Kalia's outfit of the day. I'm going to try to be very detailed because the last few get ready with them and their outfits of the day, you guys have been asking me to tell you guys exactly where everything came from. And you guys, I have back to school clothing vlogs with all of the clothes that they purchased. So if I just so happen to forget something, all the back to school shopping vlogs are linked down below. If you haven't seen their first day of school, get ready with them where they get up and wash their face and brush their teeth and get ready and stuff like that, it's linked down below as well. So enough rambling. So this jacket I picked out for Kalia when she was not with us. It was me and my son in that vlog. If you guys want to see, you guys will see, I think it's the first link down below. This jacket actually came from Burlington. Super cute. It just has like the little Polaroid design on it. You guys remember my son got the NASA jacket like this. And I was like, this is super cute. I know Kalia would like this. So I picked this up for her. You guys always want to know her size. I think this is a medium. I think this is a medium, okay? This is how the jacket looks. And of course, it's hot here in Texas, but their class is really, really cool. So this is why they wear jackets every day. So I thought it was really, really cute, okay? So once again, the jacket came from Burlington. How much was it? I think it was $24.99. But all the details is in the shopping vlogs. They're all linked down below. So that's that. It also comes with a hoodie. Next, underneath, she's wearing just a white bodysuit. And I'm for sure this one came from Charlotte Russe because I remember her trying this shirt on with some tan shorts. And so they had a really good sale. I think they still have that sale going on now. And they also have like $10 off of $40. So I think their coupon is still on Retail Me Not. So next, she just has some earrings she got from Forever 21. A necklace she got from Forever 21. That is like a heart ankle bracelet. I think she got it from Charlotte Russe. And her ring. So that is that right there. And then right here are some jeans that she's wearing. These jeans came from Charlotte Russe. I actually picked these out myself. I really like the ripple effect right here, as you guys can see. You guys will be able to see more when she put them on. The back looks like this. Even though it has like the rip, you can't see through it because it's jean at the bottom on like this part. So even though you see the rip, you can't see anything through it. So this is how the back looks. Super cute. I actually like the jeans that's ripped at the bottom like this. And then the other side is pretty much the same. As you guys can see right here. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys her shoes. If you guys want to know what her shoes are, these are the shoes. The Air Max Plus GS. And of course, you guys can see she's a size 7. These are the shoes that we picked up. I think this was actually the first shopping vlog that we did. She had like 2 or 3 pair of shoes. These are the ones that she picked up that day. Super cute. Just like this. I actually love this color. You guys know neons are really in and popping right now. Love the yellow on it. So this is how it's going to look. Just like that. It matches this outfit perfectly. So Kalia's in the shower right now. Once she gets out and do her hair, I'm not sure if I'm going to add in her doing her hair because you guys know she has braids. So I may just show you guys after this clip her outfit of the day. I'm not sure yet. If she wear her hair differently, like put it up, I'll try to get that footage. If not, you guys know my kids are not YouTubers. This is her OTD of the day. If you guys are enjoying these back to school videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn your notification bell on. I will be doing post notification shout outs really soon. As a matter of fact, I will insert right here to the side today's post notification shout out. Thank you so much for leaving all the positive love on my videos. And so I love you guys so much. You guys can see Kalia just got out the shower. She is getting dressed. What is that you're doing now, Kalia?
I'm putting on coconut oil. This is Luana coconut oil. This has lasted me for about a year already. It's really good. And I use it as my lotion. If you watch my skincare routine, you know I use it as my lotion.
So if you guys want to see her skincare routine, it will be linked down in the description below. A lot of you guys are always asking for a room tour, but you guys, I've already filmed her room tour. Yeah, I've already filmed a room tour, you guys. So if you guys want to see that, just go on to YouTube and search MsQueenificent's daughter's room tour, and it will pop up. So are you going your hair up or down, Kalia?
I'm going down.
So right now she's got her braids pinned back so she can do her edges. And if it is someone's new watching, what are you guys using?
If it's the first time watching.
Oh yeah, this is your first time watching. What are you using for your edges?
I'm using Got To Be Glue, Ultra Glued Styling Gel.
So that is what she is using to do her edges.
Hi, Bella. Bella. Oh, Bella. Oh, she just ran away from me. Love that.
She's talking to our puppy Bella, you guys. So all she has to do right now is do her edges, and that's pretty much it. Once she get done doing her edges, a lot of you guys was asking her to do how to slay her edges, you guys. But you guys know my daughter is not a YouTuber. She just pop on here every now and then and clear everyone be like, she should start her own channel. Oh. Please tell her to get her own channel. I'm like, my daughter do not want her own channel.
I do not want my own channel, especially since I have college classes.
She has college classes, you guys. She is a junior. She has college classes and she has a full-time job. So, and she has other curricular activities. I keep telling them that, clear, but they constantly saying she should get a channel. I'm like, my daughter is focused on.
I have to go to work.
Work.
Every single day after school.
Education. And college. That's it, you guys.
Period.
Not YouTube. I'm sorry. I try to pop them in on my channel as much as I can, but I'm not going to force them to be on YouTube. They're not YouTubers, you guys.
Sometimes she asks us.
Sometimes I ask. That's it. So, sorry, you guys. I'll try to post them as much as I can when they're free. But yeah, I'll come back. Okay, let me show them.
One side done.
Those are her edges. Okay. So, this is her before, honey. And then I'll come back after she's completely done.
Good morning, guys. So I'm going to tell you my outfit of the day. Mom, did you tell them my outfit?
I did, but you can tell them.
Okay, so this windbreaker I got from Burlington. My mom got it for me. And then this bodysuit, I got it from Charlotte Russe. And then my jeans, I got them from City Trends or Charlotte Russe. I can't remember. And my shoes are from... Where did I get my shoes from?
I can't remember. I think it was...
I got them from...
I can't remember.
Foot Locker
or Champs. I can't remember.
Yeah.
It's in the vlog, you guys. I really cannot remember.
Or House of Hoops, something like that.
I can't remember.
But this is my outfit.
So, you guys, this is her OTD of the day. You want to give them a spin around? Outfit of the day. My son's outfit of the day is very simple. This is actually another day, but I'm going to go ahead and insert it with the footage with Kalia's, so it can be a 2-in-1, since I was not able to get him the other day with Kalia. So he's just wearing a basic white tee. I think these came from Target or Walmart. I can't even remember. And then he's just wearing some Aku or Aku. I forget how to pronounce that. I think it's Aku or Aku. Shorts. They're like camouflage. And he actually picked these up, I think, from Macy's or Dillard's. I really like these shorts. This is how they look. Has like the little camouflage and stuff going behind it. And then on the back, it looks like this. I really, really like these. These was actually kind of expensive. I think they were like $100, to be quite honest. So that is that. And he got his Nike socks over here. And then he's wearing his Nike Air Forces. Here are the shoes right here. You guys have seen these before. And they look just like this. So this is his OTD of the day. I will try my best to get a video or a picture or something so you guys can see exactly how it looks on him. What's she doing?
She just, I don't know, she turned around and she walked in a circle.
She did.
She laid down.
So this is my son's outfit of the day. You guys saw. I want to give him a quick spin. That is his OTD of the day, you guys. Okay. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. The pants are called Aku or Aku.
Aku.
So that's the name of the pants, you guys. So anything you want to say to the people?
Do good in school.
So that's pretty much it, you guys, for his outfit of the day.
Stay first, I can't trust none of these niggas. No, act like they your partner, but they really in their feelings. Tell they ass a secret, they gon' tell somebody else. About to grab that Glock 17 right off the shelf. Think I ain't gon' pull it. I ain't seeing bullets. Strapped up with that hoodie. Motherfucking bullet. Lying to your homie, man, I thought I was your home. What's up? But your ass is phony. I'm cool by my lonely self. I don't need no friend. All I need is pain. All I need is brain. Taking any pain. Went to bed baller just to see the roll it down.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. And I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.